Hi guys, it's Miss Charles. I hope everyone's doing okay. I miss you all. Hope everyone is staying home, staying safe, and staying busy. What I'm going to do is show you the peak of the week, which is like the expectations for this week for word study, for reading, for writing, and also you see up here is for math and science. So Miss Hicks and Miss Cantu will talk about those, but for now I'll be talking about these three. Just a reminder, or just, for you to know, this is not for you to be overwhelmed by. Please don't think that it's a lot of work. It is actually just one reading that we're focusing on this week, and this week we're going to be focusing on the skill of inferencing. But every day you'll have a different activity, okay? So let's go to word study. Word study, some of your activities include, circling the syllables. We'll give you the words that you'll need to know. You'll have to make a word search on Tuesday. Wednesday, you're going to find the words in a book or magazine. Thursday, you can ask your parents what the words mean, and probably, I think you'll have to also write them down. Friday, you can write an acrostic poem with each word, okay? And the final product, or the final expectation, is for you to know how to spell all of those words correctly. Not too bad. For reading, like I was saying, it's just going to be one reading, and I'm going to post that reading up for y'all to see. And the focus will be making inferences. And I'll also post an anchor chart for y'all to see so you remember how to make an inference. So Monday, you're going to have a graphic organizer where you're using text evidence. Tuesday and Wednesday, you're going to be doing the same thing but different paragraphs, I believe. So you have to explain your inference using the text evidence on both days. Thursday, you'll write an inference based on paragraph 5, and then Friday you're going to complete the multiple choice questions that comes with this reading. Okay, and your final product, that Friday assignment, is what will be graded for the week. And let's go scroll up back to writing workshop. So the objective says the learner will incorporate dialogue and use correct subject-verb agreement in their writing. Okay, I'll also have a anchor chart for that. On Monday, what you're going to do is really kind of use the writing process that we've been using throughout school. So Monday, you write about what you have done since school has been out. Tuesday, you're going to revise, and I'll be very specific on Tuesday what you'll have to revise. Wednesday, same thing, you'll be revising, but in a different way. Thursday, you're going to edit, and then Friday, you're going to finalize your draft, and you will submit your completed writing piece at the end of the week. Okay? So I hope it doesn't sound like too much, but we do want to just maintain our level of learning and make sure everybody stays on task, okay? So if y'all have any questions about the peak of the week, please post it, and post it where on the main screen where everyone can see your question, because sometimes other people will have the same question as you, okay? Or you can email me as well, all right? Thanks, guys. Hi guys, so I wanted to show you what your assignment will look like for this week. So I'm going to be posting this document, and I'll share a copy with everyone so that they will be able to edit it on their own, for their own copy. So Monday, for today, what you're going to do is, I'll read it out loud. This week we are reviewing how to make inferences. Remember, when you make an inference, you think about what the text says and what you know about what the text says. When you put those together, you can figure out the information the author has not given. Okay, so this is kind of like unanswered questions that we do in our discussion. So, for example, the text says, Billy helped his sister pick her up off the ground, that should say. And it says, I know people who help are kind. So my inference is that Billy is a kind human, okay? So as you're reading the text, or when you're done reading the text, here are 3 sentences from the text. What I would like you to do is, in the second box here, write what you know based just on that text evidence, okay? Then in the third box where it says I can infer, I want you to write your inference that you've made once you've put what the text says and what you know, what your background knowledge is. Once you put those two together, what can you infer? Okay? And that will be for Monday. If you have any questions about this, let me know, email me, or post the question on Google Classroom so that everyone can see it. Thanks.